Hey everyone! Welcome back to my vlog. Today, we're going to unbox this professional large format printer, the Epson SC-T3130X plotter. Right out of the box, you can already tell this is well packaged and secured. Everything is protected, so no worries about damage during delivery. Inside, we have the main unit, power cable, USB cable, ink bottles, rule holders, and the instructions manuals. And here it is, sleek, compact, and perfect for offices, engineers, or anyone doing detailed prints like plans or blueprints. This model uses a continuous ink supply system, which means less hassle and more cost efficiency. We just open the ink tank, pour the pigment ink carefully, and that's it. Let's power it on. It has a touch screen panel, making navigation really easy. No complicated buttons. The machine is now initializing, which takes a few minutes, but this ensures everything is calibrated properly. Next, we installed the paper roll. It supports both sheet and roll paper, which is super convenient depending on your printing needs. And now for the exciting part, let's test print. Look at that, it prints fast, around 34 seconds per A1 page. The lines are sharp, details are very clear, and the colors are consistent thanks to the pigment ink. This is perfect for architectural plans, engineering drawings, and even posters. So here's my overall review. First, the speed is impressive. It saves time, especially for bulk printing. Second, the print quality is excellent, very precise and professional. Third, the continuous ink system really helps reduce long-term costs. It also has built-in memory and supports USB and LAN connectivity. Plus, it comes with a 2-year warranty and on-site service, which is a big advantage. So if you are looking for a reliable plotter for technical or large format printing, this is definitely a solid investment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in my next vlog!